Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Photopea and load the photo. No extra setup. Once loaded, look at the Layers panel and duplicate the image layer so you keep the original safe. Make sure the image mode is RGB. Conversion may be required for accurate color inversion. Next, select the duplicated layer to work non-destructively. This prepares everything so the actual invert step won't alter your base file, and it lets you compare before and after instantly. Now apply the invert. With the duplicate selected, choose Image Adjustments Invert or hit Ctrl+I, Instant Color Reversal. If you only want parts inverted, add a layer mask and paint with black to hide inverted areas or white to show them. That gives precise control. Once done, experiment with the inverted layers, blend mode and opacity to soften or intensify the effect. This helps maintain skin tones or highlights where full inversion looks harsh. Make small changes and toggle visibility to compare results. Finish by exporting or saving. If you need a single image, go to File, Export As and pick PNG or JPEG, otherwise save as PSD to keep layers. If colors look wrong, check image mode and confirm the color profile. Mismatches can shift hues after inversion. If parts are incorrect, refine the layer mask with a soft brush or lower the inverted layer's opacity to blend. Lastly, use history or undo to step back quickly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.